All right, so because I stopped touching my phone, it went silent, so I have to merge the last video with this video. But anyway, I ended the last video with talking about AHPI. AHPI right now is the last 3 minutes going into the market close. It's starting to find some uptrending. Like I said, it should, if it were to close strong and do something for anybody for tomorrow who's ever in this stock, it would have to close at least near 1675. Like I think that's the more reasonable price. It still keeps the green line, which is the 50-day moving average, higher than the 100-day moving average, and it gives it more of a sense of strength heading into the weekend or heading into Friday. Um, I am also in a couple of other positions. I wanted to, buy some more just because of how the chart patterns were looking, but I didn't. I didn't want to, overextend myself. I'm only in three positions right now, which is with SPCE, AHPI, the one that I'm doing a more in-depth look at, and SIG, Signet. So I'm in those stocks. There are other stocks that are moving that I like BNTXI, CCOI. I like those. A little bit more pricier. And Apron, a Blue Apron, APRN. That one gave me some nice returns before, so I would like to get back into that one, even though it does have major volatility in its own. It's coming off a second green day, and things are starting to look good for it. But as far as what AHPI, right, it's going into the close. We see where we are right now. If there was more buying now, which it looks like it's trying to do in the last minute, we could see something better. We might see something in the after hours. Hopefully there'll be something to garner more strength in this stock. Like I said, 1169 right now, 1170. So I need it over, 1175. For me, it'll make me feel good um, going in. But 15 seconds left. We'll see what happens. I am also listening to CNBC. I try to keep the knowledge of some type of media around me, but whatever. And the market is now closed. We have 1663, 60, 11, 16, 1662. So 1662, not what I hoped for. Yeah, so I'm not sure what could possibly happen in the after hours. Um, it is on this first green day after consecutive red days. So hopefully it can do something really nice. Um, but you know, I'm keeping it up with faith and seeing what happens with here. Of anything, if there's any type of news, I will come back and bring it back to this video. But like I said, it did everything what I thought it could do. It was close to 1675, but it was really at 1662. So we'll see what happens. I know I sound pretty disappointed, but it's whatever. I can handle this. We'll see how the other stocks handle tomorrow, but I'm gonna go over some other ones. All right, so I wanted to continue from yesterday. If you remember, this is still AHPI. Yesterday was March 26th. Today is March 27th. And as I predicted, it would go higher, which it did in the pre-market. It went from, testing that previous like 20 area after it pulled back yesterday, excuse me, after it pulled back yesterday, and then This morning it started to come up. I actually sold at 18.45. So I sold somewhere around in here. Just because one, I don't trust this market. So if I can get in at a lower price, like I did yesterday around here, and then be able to still ride the wave into the next day, save myself a day trade, and get a little bit more as a return, then why not? So as you can tell, the price is trading above the VWAP. The exponential moving averages are below the VWAP, and the potential of this still coming down towards 17 is greatly enhanced just because of the distance of where it's trading and where the 200 EMA is. So that's what you use the 200 EMA as a place of risking, of managing your risk. Right now, everything says it's supposed to pull back. So we have the MACD and then we have the RSI. That are both saying that's supposed to come down just a little bit. Now, if it does come back, I would anticipating it testing at least this 1820 area, and if not there, then right here around this 17, I think that's 1732, bare minimum. So maybe it comes back to 1730s, maybe it doesn't. But right now, I did what I thought I should do, which is to get out, because getting out and taking the profits is much better than trying to figure out what it's going to do when the market opens. So maybe I could have sold at 19. I didn't, but I was still able to get in from 15.35 and then sold at 18.45. So I think $3 a share is actually pretty good. So we're going to keep this going. Uh, Maybe this will find a way to hold its gains throughout the market day. So if it does have an opportunity, which it probably will not since it's overbought on the hour chart, it'll probably pull back of anything. Um, it might test this $20 area. Maybe it tests $20, but I doubt it. We'll definitely need some strong volume. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It did exactly what I thought it was going to do, which is the most prudent thing to do was to sell into the pre-market and then see what happens once the market opens.